Brian Goodwin with Goodwin Racing in our 2019 project car, giving you a driving sample of one of our popular RoadsterSport mufflers. Had a lot of you begging us to put it on a 2019 and show you what we get with the extended red line. And of course we're happy to oblige. All the exhaust parts fit the 2019, so fortunately everything that we made that is already popular for the ND1 fits the ND2. Here we go from a stop. We'll wind it all the way. Well, the newer high red line at 7,500 without having to do a tune. With an ND1 we had to do a tune to get there. With the ND2 from the factory 7,500, I just did it both in first gear and second gear, and what a joy to do that. And just so much fun with one of these Helmholtz mufflers. Little downshift. Questions, GoodwinRacing.com.